Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. It's still the end of January. In today's video, we're going to deal with, or try to deal with, our chicken problem. We had a pack of a pack of coyotes come in and get about 12 of our chickens. So we're gonna try and set some traps, look at where their tracking is at, set some traps, and overall try to dissuade them to move on. But the coyotes have been very prevalent in and around the area, and they finally came to our place, and it didn't go real well. So that's what we're working on today.
I ain't going down with you if you're going downtown.
As we get to unboxing and taking things apart here, just a big shout out to the hunting department at Shields in Eden Prairie, Minnesota. The gentleman there was very, very helpful. I'd never trapped anything before, so he was helpful in picking the size of the traps and the piece parts that we needed, including these T-posts that they use for holding the trap in place. You pound it into the ground. The hammer that you're going to see here right there, that has got a hook on the back of it so that you dig into it and clear things away, and then you can pound your T-post in. And then the traps themselves, as I take the labels off and break the security band that doesn't allow you to arm them while they're in the store. We get them armed, and we head down to the area that they're going to be installed, and you'll see that coming up next.
I am feeling way too pretty to even try to deal with petty little things like you. Go ahead and stir up drama, spill the tea, my friend. Karma's listening to you. Scandalous is all for show. Scandalous is all I know. You signed up for so.
Here I'm walking down the backside of the sewer mound. Our sewer mound is pretty tall, 5 or 6 feet elevated, and it's very, very brushy here. The tree has just got a ton of brush in the way. So just taking my time getting down in here, and then we'll get into position.
So this is the spot. You can see they congregated here. Chicken feathers there. They went up over the hill over here. This is the sewer mound. Went over the sewer mound to where the chickens were at far. Brought them back here. So this is where we are doing the set.
Go ahead. Talk that talk behind my back. Whisper about me, how about that? Can't get enough, just like a drug. You know, all my name is on your list.
Okay, so now we're shifting gears, and we're going to do an opening of the new Milwaukee grease gun that I purchased. Having trouble with the old grease gun, threw in the towel. We've been buying everything Milwaukee, so I have plenty of batteries to move around between different devices. So we're going to get this opened and up and working.
Right. We're going to open this up.
Heart to heart and head to head.
Back to the truck.
Everything I never said. Lay me down and I will make my bed, but I won't go away. Shut me down or shut me up, and no, all I ever wanted was just a chance to bear my bones, my blood, but you look the other way. Running from how you like that. Yeah. Play it cool, breaking the rules. I don't need you, I got my own bag. Oh, I finally saw the light from the burning bridges left behind. Oh, you thought to leave me there to die, but I'm not broken hearted. Oh, easy does it, never did it for me. You know, fortune favors the crazy, and now I'm in love. Wait till you see. I'm just gonna running around, gaining some ground, making a sound. How you like that? Yeah. Playing it cool, breaking the rules. I don't need you, I got my own bag. I ain't afraid, baby, I'm brave. I won't behave, I'm better than that. Coming for everything you said I couldn't have. I got my own bag. Be this, be that, try to fit in, but I don't get it. I never will. Take a hit, strike a match to all the minutes I ever tried to be where you wanted. Be this, be that, try to fit in, but I don't get it. I never will. Take a hit, strike a match to all the minutes I didn't give. No. Running around, gaining some ground, making a sound. How you like that? Breaking the rules, I don't need you, I got my own bag. I ain't afraid, baby, I'm brave. I won't behave, I'm better than that. Coming for everything you said I couldn't have. I got my own bag. I'm not a joyride, a hit and run. I thought I loved you and you thought I was fun. I'm moving on down the road. Watch me as I go, watch me as I go. Should I look both ways before you cross me, baby? 'Cause I don't break for boys. I'm moving on, hey, hey, hey. I'm moving on. Let's be on my way. This is not the life. I'm moving on. I'm moving on.
Just like that.
I got a new life. He runs for miles. 67 fastback. Oh, it's just my style. We're headed down the road. Just enjoy the show. Watch me as I go. Let's be on my way. This is not the life. I'm moving on. Let's be on.
As we get these grease fittings cleaned off, it's been a while. It didn't get greased as often as it should have, although it's not getting used much this winter. So that was the reason for replacing the grease gun. Having trouble with the old one, couldn't get the tractor grease. So now we're going to go through and grease the boom and everything related to it. The one thing that we did have trouble with, we have the plow on right now. It has a center pivot with a zerk on it, and that center pivot wouldn't take grease. So that's going to be a project for this summer to open that up and figure out why it's not taking grease and get it greased. Can't leave it sit that way. We only used the plow once this winter, so it's possible that it's just got some corrosion in there from not being used. But that's one thing we're going to take apart and take a look at this summer. as I continue here and get this greased, we did the other side. I'm not going to show you that. And we're going to wrap up this video with just finishing greasing the tractor. Thanks for coming along. It's an adventure here. We haven't been doing a lot this winter because it's winter, and we don't have a lot of snow that needs to be plowed or other things that need to be done. The winter's been awfully mild up here. But you will see our how to put chains on, a whole new way of putting chains on the back tires of the tractor. So I hope you enjoy it. Like and subscribe, and come along for some of the stuff this summer. We've got some projects, building projects, cold storage building, and dirt moving and cleaning up around the ditch that we dug a couple years ago. So we just got a lot of things planned for the summer, and hopefully the money holds out and we can get those done. Thanks a lot. We'll see you on the next one.